I'm back. Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Naty. This is my YouTube channel. I consider this like my diary, journal. I don't know how to call it. But yeah, if you like lifestyle content, like workout, fitness, fashion, and a lot more, please consider to subscribe. And let's start the video. So, if you've been following me for a little bit, you know that I was MIA. I'm not gonna get into it like very deep because I don't want to start crying. But long story short, we had to put down our dog 12 days ago. So that's why I wasn't posting every day because my mind, I wasn't able to be creative. Like I said, I'm not going to go into it because I don't want to start crying. But one thing I want to say, thank you to all of you guys that sending me messages. I saw them all. Thank you for the bottom of my heart. If you don't know, I did post like a short story. I don't know how to call it here. In memory of her. And I did read all of the comments that you leave me there. So thank you for the bottom of my heart. But yeah, that's why I was MIA. But I'm back. And I don't know if you noticed, I'm not on the same place any longer. We moved to our new house. Yes. If you've been following me on Instagram, you already know. You already saw a sneak peek. If you're not following, let me tell you, you're missing a lot because on Instagram, this is all news. So I'm recording this Monday night. I don't think this is gonna be up tonight because I'm still unpacking. It's a lot. I gonna put like a montage on me organizing the kitchen. It's gonna be a mess again real soon because hubby is on the other house picking up some more stuff. So it's gonna be a mess probably in the next 2 hours again. But yeah, let me put the montage real quick. So this is the kitchen. I'm so excited for this kitchen. Like, you have no idea. Well, you can see how big it is. I'm excited. I have plenty of room. And you're going to see this kitchen a lot. So that's why I'm putting this montage here. I'm going to show you also a clip of the new office. It's still packed. I'm gonna, if my bag let me do it, because my bag is killing me right now. If my bag is okay tomorrow, I will organize whatever I have on the office and put up the computer. I'm gonna edit this video on my laptop. And yeah, so you saw the kitchen. Oh my God, I'm obsessed. I love it. So I have here my first mail here at the new house. You saw it on the intro. Ooh, God. This is it. I got this cricut maker. I never tried this before. I never thought about buying one of these. Because to me, this was only like, honestly, I didn't know what I was able to make with this. And I'm obsessed. I did some research and I'm obsessed. And that's why I bought it. I realized like one of the main things that you can do with this baby is organizing. And now is the perfect time because new house, new organization items that I will have to get. So I'm gonna label them, and I saw that I can use this with some fabrics. So I'm gonna be able to make totes and purse using this cutting precision technology. So this is a win-win for me. I'm gonna unbox it because I'm pretty sure my husband is a little bit tired hearing me. He's, oh my God, I love him because when I get obsessed with something, I cannot stop talking about it. So this is one of the main reasons I created a YouTube channel. That way I don't drive him crazy talking about the stuff that I'm obsessed. So let me start opening. I got 2 boxes. I don't know why. So we're gonna figure it out together. I've been wanting to open this since the day I moved here, but I wanted to do it with you guys, so that's why I haven't opened it. I'm gonna put a screenshot because it's a bundle. Maybe that's why it's 2 boxes. Because I bought a bundle on their website. So I've been wanted to try it. We have been here. This is our second night. No, this is our third night here since day one. But I decided to wait to do it with you. And like I was saying, I'm pretty sure my husband is tired. So that's why one of the main reasons that I opened or created a YouTube channel. Because if I buy something that has like a higher cost like this is good money. I do my research and I have to be obsessed or in love with the item. Because to me, it doesn't matter if it costs $1, $10, $100. If I'm not obsessed or I don't love the item or the product, to me, that's a waste of money. But if I'm obsessed with it and I know that I'm going to put it in the good use, that to me is an investment. So to me, this is hopefully a good investment for my personal use and also for my business. Again, you probably you are thinking, what business? What are you talking about? So I did a soft opening. I'm still working the stuff out, but I did a soft opening on Etsy. If you want more information, please comment down below or send me an email. I'm doing railroad tote bags, handmade, Latina owned, military family owned business. So if you saw my last video, you probably saw them because they were on my background. I didn't do it on purpose, but it was there. Oh yes, this is the actual bundle. This is not the machine. I have an idea of what it is, but never, like I said, I never used them, so we will figure it out together. I'm probably gonna do a lot of videos using this because, like I said, I'm obsessed, and when I'm obsessed with something, I focus a lot of energy on it. So the first thing I saw on the research that I was doing on the equipment, yes, let's call it equipment or printer, whatever. I saw that everybody was using this tool over here and also this one over here. So when I saw that the bundle came with everything, I was like, sign me in. Also, I did a lot of research. I did a lot of price comparison because I don't buy like big ticket items. I don't buy it without doing comparison. So yeah. Next, I saw mixed reviews on their pens. I also saw that a hack that you can use regular pens or regular markers with it, because also you can it can draw. Yeah, you can say that. Yeah, you can draw with the cricut maker. So it comes with the with this set of pen. Yeah, multi pen set black. Ooh, one has glitter. Cute. So this is it. don't mind my nails. I'm still moving, so all my nail stuff are in the other house, and I'm not gonna waste money going to the salon because they're gonna get shipped in like 2 hours. Oh, another, you can never have too much tools. Again, oh, this is bigger than the other. No, it's the same size. Yeah, pretty cute. This actually has less items than the other one, but hey, you can never go wrong having a spare. Oh, I see something that I like. This paper over here. This is the last or the newest cricut maker. So it has like a smart technology that you don't need. What's the name? You don't have to stick any. You just put the actual vinyl in there, and that's it. You don't have to glue it or put it on anything. You just put it in, and that's it. It came with a bunch of colors. What's this? Ooh, iron on. This is pretty. It's like Jesus Christ. Love it. I'm obsessed with this. Is the name? Let me see. I always forget the name. What is the name? What is the name? Holographic. That's the name. Holographic. Obsessed. Obsessed. You're gonna hear me saying obsessed a lot. Like I said, if I'm not obsessed or I'm not in love, I mean like, I don't know, I probably won't buy it because to me, like I said, it's a waste of money. Transfer paper or transfer tape. It has a bunch of stuff. This is the last thing I'm going to show you because it has a lot. Smart vinyl, more colors. It has a lot, like I said. It has glitter. Let me grab the camera. It's gonna be easier, I think. Okay, so it also came with this. This looks like construction paper to me. Huh. Smart paper. More vinyls. So this is no. Ooh, glitter. Nice. Nice. So yeah, this is the bundle. Let me put everything back. Okay, and this one is actually the cricut. Let's open this baby. I was looking for another color, but this is the only one that they released. So yeah, I was hoping to find it maybe like white or off-white. But they didn't have any other color. This is the only one. This is so hard. This is so hard. So I'm gonna do a little bit, not all of them, but I'm gonna be doing quite a few videos trying with this baby over here. So if you're interested in arts and crafts, DIYs, please make sure to subscribe. Thank you. Yes. Ooh. Let me put this. Sure. Oh God, this is heavy. I'm gonna link some YouTube channels that I was doing research on this baby over here. I'm gonna link them down below if you're interested, because I have no clue what I'm doing. You can do. Oh, please. There you go. So, like I was saying, I'm gonna put some of the channels down in the description box. That way you can do your own research if you want to know more info about this. So, as you can see, I don't know if you can see it in the camera. It's like a light blue. Oh my God. You know what? Okay, finally. Ooh, let me wait. So finally I was able to open it. You're meant to make. Has nacido para crear. That's literally me. Creating mine. I cannot be stand still. I have to be doing something. I need to be creating because if not, I'll get bored. So I'm not gonna be doing like a huge, I'm not gonna be doing like a setup or anything. I'm gonna do a separate video on that. I just wanted to show you how it looks like, and it's hard to do it with one hand, but this is how it looks. Let me see if I can. Yep, this is how it looks like. I'm gonna do a separate video setting it up on my office. So this is the color. You can see it's like a light blue. This is some of the specs or what it can do for me in this case, or for you if you're interested. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna do a separate video setting it up. Yeah, that's the setup right now. You can see the kitchen. Let me show you the office. This is really dark. I'm still lost. Wait. Yeah, here it is. Better lighting. So this is how the new office looks like. Like I said, I need to organize, but look at this. Look at this. I can put all the fabrics for my future creation, my future purses. I can put all the boxes, the lighting for when I'm recording like an actual professional setup, like lighting and everything. So yeah, I have enough space. So yeah, I'm probably gonna be if I don't do this room tomorrow, it's gonna be Tuesday. I will do it on Wednesday. I'm gonna record it, and at that video, I'm gonna be setting up the Cricut. Yeah, this is my office. Like I said, I'm excited. I have room. I think it's the same size or a little bit smaller. No, yeah, I think it's a little bit around the same size of the other one. So excited to be back. I really, really, really miss you guys a lot. But like I said, I wasn't in the best shape when it comes to creative space mentally. Yeah. Hopefully you like this type of video. Like I always say, sharing is caring. And don't forget, be kind to yourself. See you next time. Bye.